Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, we're going to be making rice and local stew with vegetable oil, basically. So I'm starting by boiling the eggs, which I'm going to let cook for, about 10 to 15 minutes because it's from the fridge. And I'm going to be adding some salt into the eggs so that it can help to retain its what they call that sturdiness or something, just to make so that when you peel it doesn't scatter all over the place. And then I'm going to be frying my sauce in this other pot. So I'm using basically leftover oil. You can use palm oil or vegetable oil if you want, but palm oil is always best. The reason I'm using this oil is because it's what I have available and I don't want the oil to go to waste. It's oil I use, leftover oil from, my when I fry my stews or I cook some stores and I have too much oil floating. This is what I can use for it. I'm transferring the pot that I'm using for the eggs so that I can use the other pot to boil rice because it's early morning and I'm just cooking this to get ready for work and then for the children to also go to school. So we do this is around 5:30 in the morning thereabout. I usually get up earlier so that I'll be able to finish before it's time to go to school, and I also have to prepare to go to work. Okay, into my pot I have my water. I'm going to let this water come to a boil so that I can parboil my rice and then continue from there. So if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to manage your home on a budget. I also share my garden with you guys. So I've added my onions. This is onions I have prepped. I usually meal prep every week to make mornings like this very easy. I have locust beans and I should have added a little lesser, but it's still all good. You can add as much or as little as you want. This locust beans helps to elevate the flavor of the meal. Next, I'm going to be adding my tomato puree, and that's because the sauce I have, the pepper mix I have, might not be enough for what I want to use it for. And if you've been watching me, you know I like to be flexible. I don't have any rigid rules when it comes to cooking. Cooking is an art, and you just have to make it work for you. So I'm going to be frying this until it is sweet. Then I know it's ready. And then in the meantime, I'm going to be pouring in my rice and then cooking as usual. So guys, enjoy this video. I hope you watch till the very end so that you can see how we do things around here. And I'll see you on the other side. I'm sure you guys can hear that the inverter is already screaming. The battery is low. We didn't turn off some appliances soon enough. So yeah, we'll see how long that can last. In the meantime, I'm peeling off the eggs and I realized that the eggs did not come out as planned. Usually we've put our eggs in the fridge and that can be a factor. It's always good to use eggs that are in room temperature. So my bad. I guess that's why it disappointed me. Yeah, because I did everything else I'm supposed to do. So, but we move and we're going to use it. At this point now, NEPA have carried light. Okay, it's not NEPA actually. It's the inverter that went off. The battery is completely dead at this point. So we just have to manage. I didn't even know it was going to turn out this way. I said, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to make sure that I finish this video. Guys, I hope that it's still bright enough for you guys to see. So this is what life is in Nigeria can be. And then I'm happy that I was able to almost round up before the power went out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about these videos and what you think, guys, about it. This stew came out very, very yummy. You know, it's not the typical stew you are familiar with. And if you know me, you know I go versatile in everything I do. I don't have in our house, we don't repeat a particular meal every per week. Every week we switch things around. Yes, sometimes we have the same stew, but we're going to have to change what we're using the stew to eat. And if you know what I mean. And I'm adding in some ugu to, you know, to localize it even more, and of course add some vegetables here because we're not using any of this carrot and all of that to eat the rice. So I guess we can have just a little bit of vegetable. I usually have more vegetable in my sauce, but this was what I have available. And that's it, guys, for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.